Hi, my name is JP Sarmiento of the Sarmiento Immigration Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about, probably the most common fact pattern for marriage to US citizen green card applications. We've done a lot of these types of cases, and this is a simple situation that happens prevalently throughout the country, but people do not know that, when this happens, you're eligible. Okay? So this is a common fact pattern. The foreigner, the potential beneficiary, enters the United States legally. So it could be on a student visa, could be on an H-1B visa, could be on a tourist visa. Okay? And then at some point, that person loses status. Whether, maybe you finished school, but you weren't able to find a job and you just decided to stay here. Or you're on an H-1B, got fired, or the company closed, you tried looking for another company, you couldn't. Instead of going home, you just stayed here. Or you're a tourist, and after some time you really wanted to stay here, tried looking for a job, maybe get an H-1B, but just couldn't get here, so you fell out of status. Okay? And to make a living, you're out of status, you're illegal, you looked for a job. So let's say you found something and it's under the table, you got paid in cash. Okay? You did not fill any I-9 form saying that you're a US citizen, did not commit any fraud, and it's like the employer basically just did it to you as a favor. And then later on, years later, let's say you fell in love and it's a US citizen, and you got married. Now in that situation, can you apply for a green card based on marriage? And it's a common fact pattern, but most of the time in those situations you can. Of course, there are many other possible reasons why you would be inadmissible. For example, you committed fraud, maybe a couple of really bad criminal convictions that you had. Maybe you got any public benefits from the US government. So those issues should be taken into account. But assuming you're not otherwise inadmissible, you entered legally, you overstayed, you worked illegally, but you're married in good faith to a US citizen, probably like 8-9 times out of 10 in those situations you can get a green card. So that's a common fact pattern for marriage to a US citizen green card case. So if you have any questions, just feel free to give us a call, 216-573-3712, or email us at jp@sarmientoimmigrationlawfirm. We'll be on this video, and thank you for listening.